2025 Cruisin the Coast, Ocean Springs stop. Vinny and I were out in Pascagoula earlier today. Did a live out there, so if you missed that, make sure you go back and check that one out. Beautiful park, beautiful area. It was a really, really nice stop. We enjoyed ourselves out there. They had a little girl out there singing, and she was really, really entertaining, really good. So we've had a great day. Weather has been perfect. My buddy Ricky sent me a picture of this Mercedes earlier, and it's not what I'm looking for here, but it is cool, and it is custom. And so, Sitch is sitting right here. Let's take a quick walk around that. It's got a Ford engine in it. Yeah, no, very cool. Some Tri-5s. Ocean Springs is always a very hot spot. It's a beautiful area. It is covered in these, what are the name of them trees?
Live oaks.
Live oaks. I ask that every year. I absolutely love them. They're beautiful. It's like going through a tunnel of trees. And so it's going to be like going through a tunnel of people down here too. You know what we did? Let me get out from behind that. You learn something all the time. You know, I don't have this show mastered, and I've been covering it for like 10 years. So there is 8 spots, correct? 8 spots? 6 stamping locations. But not all of them are open. So if you want to come to a spot like this, then you have to go to the stamping spots. The other spots, like we were out in Moss Point, and there was nothing going on in Moss Point today. But there was something going on in Moss Point a few days ago. So there's some stops apparently, and I think Waveland might be that way. There's some stops that aren't happening all, aren't. Trying to keep you all on the move, and that's a little tough. And so there's some stops, as I was saying, that have events going on throughout the week, but they're not open all the time, all day. The spots that you get stamps at, they are open from whatever, in the morning till 5 o'clock at night. So, a little clarification on that. I was going to go to Waveland, but I'm not sure anything's happening in Waveland today, but there were things happening in Waveland, just like Moss Point. So, I think at this point we're going to stick to the stamp spots. I know earlier when I said we were going to try to visit all the spots. I think we're going to try to stick to the stamp spots this time, or today, after I figured it out, or whatever. I don't know if I have it figured out, but give me a minute. I'm trying to get through. All right, I'm going to take a break here because the walking ain't working. All right, I can just tell you. Everybody wants to walk the same pace. If I speed up, they speed up. So, but as you can see, it's happening. And so for the unfamiliar, this is not the only event that's happening today. There's other events happening. Like I said, 6 other spots where you can get stamps at. And they've got crowds just like this. You can look at the video I shot earlier out at Pascagoula, and see. That spot's happening just as well as this one is. I know the mall's open. Bay St. Louis is open. We're probably going to get to that end tomorrow. Got to give a shout out, ET Motor Gear, the official swag provider for Cruising the Coast. If it does not have that logo where you're buying it, then you're not buying the official gear. And the first time you wash it, it'll probably disappear in the washer. So, anyways, what do you think about trying to take a walk down there, Vincent? You think we can make it down there? All right. This is one of them events that there is no after hours access or anything like that. You just kind of gotta get in with the crowd and try to shoot content, make good video the best that you can. And I know y'all like to see the cars. It's not nuts and butts that y'all tune in for. So that's where I'm trying to stay, is on some cool stuff. But in Ocean Springs, a lot of places, there's good restaurants, good places to eat, get some drinks, cool off, sit up under a shade tree. Just nothing like it. Cruising the Coast 2025, Ocean Springs is where we're at right now. That's a nice looking Chevelle. Pace car Corvette. All brands, models. There's even some Jeeps down here. There is a cutoff. It's like 1979 to be registered in the show. But people come down here in stuff that is newer than that and just hang out. And you can park outside of the venues and walk in. So there's parking outside of that. But this area is reserved mostly for registered participants for the Cruising the Coast event. Weather is beautiful today. No rain. It was cool this morning, like 70 degrees. It's warmed up a little bit this afternoon, but the weather is nice. Like I said, the rain is gone. Humidity's starting to come down. Got a nice little breeze. And Ocean Springs is happening. Whatever you like, there's going to be some down here. A show is going on until Saturday night. Then Sunday morning at Jones Park, they will have the award ceremony and all that they do on the last day. It's been started Hardy Court last Sunday morning, and it'll run to when the last person goes to bed on Saturday night. Now the cruise-ins, these kind of places won't be open on Saturday night. They're open all day Saturday. But Beach Boulevard will be open Saturday night. People will still be hanging out, cruising, doing all that. So, it's going to be a good time had by all. Why don't we take a walk around a very nice Corvette before I leave. This one's got knockoffs on it. It looks like it is pretty close to stock. Good looking car. Great event. 2025. Cruising the Coast. Ocean Springs. We're going to head back to the hotel. I got a feature to shoot about 4 o'clock. My buddy Ricky's got a pickup truck done that he wants to show me. I've seen some pictures of it. I think you're really going to like that when it comes out. Vinny and I will be out driving around in his Camaro. 68 green Camaro, white stripes. If you see us, say hello if you're here, and if you're not, man, make plans to come next year. Still come down for this year. Get a couple days in on that. So, again, from 2025, Cruising the Coast, Ocean Springs, stop on Thursday, October, whatever it is. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya.